In the captivating field of mathematical puzzle, some equations stand out for their elegance and complexity. The equation a power 6 minus a power 3 equal to is one such brain-teasing problem posing a challenge. Let's see how to solve such type of problem. A power x minus a power 3 equal to 2. A power x we can write it as a power 3 whole power 2 minus a power 3 that is equal to 2. To simplify this, let us consider a power 3 equal to k. So then k power 2 minus k minus 2 that is equal to 0. We converted into quadratic equation. So here the roots are 2 and minus 1. So these are the roots of this. Now substitute back. So we assumed a power 3 as k, isn't it? So we assume a power 3 as k. That means a power 3 the values are 2 minus 1. This one we can write it as a power 3 minus 2 that is equal to 0. Just recall x power 3 minus y power 3 formula. The formula is x minus y times x power 2 plus xy plus y square, isn't it? So that means here we have a power 3 and here we have only 2. So if we convert this 2 in terms of 2 power 3, then we can apply this formula. So a power 3 minus 2 power 1 by 3 whole power 3. So after cancelling these 3 and 3, we get only 2. So instead of 2, we can write this as 2 raised to power 1 by 3 whole power 3 that is equal to 0. Here x value is a and y value is. So substitute in this formula. Then we'll get what we have a minus 2 power 1 by 3 times a square plus xy, that means 2 1 over 3 times a plus b square, that means 2 1 by 3 whole square, which is nothing but 2 over 3, that is equal to 0. We can write this as a minus 2 power 1 by 3 that is equal to 0. That means a equal to 2 power 1 by 3. From here a power 2 plus 2 power 1 by 3 times a plus 2 power 2 by 3 that is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. So to use the formula, before that we are going to find first discriminant, and let's see is the roots are real or not. So first I'm going to find the discriminant, which is delta equal to b square minus 4ac. B value is 2 power 1 by 3, 2 power 1 by 3 whole square minus 4 times the a value is 1 and c value is 2 power 2 over 3. Here 2 over 3 and 4 times 2 over 3. So here 2 over 3, here 2 over 3, take it as common. So you left only 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4, the value is minus 3. This is our discriminant. So if you take square root, then you will get what we have. We have 2 power minus 3 times 2 power 2 over 3 square root. It is in the form of square root of ab. We can write this as square root of a times square root of b. So we can write this as square root of 2 power 1 by 3 whole power 2 times square root of minus 3 minus, we can write it as minus 1 times 3, and we know that I square the value is minus 1. So instead of minus 1, shall we write I power 2? Yes, we can write this. So after cancelling this, we can get 2 power 1 over 3 times I. This is root 3. Now substitute in our formula. What is our formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. The b value is 2 power 1 over 3 root 3 times 2 power 1 over 3 I over 2 times 1, which is 2. So a equal to 2 power 1 by 3, that is our first root.
Another one.
And this is our second root, and this is our third root. From equation 1, we found 3 roots. Now we are going to use this a power 3 equal to minus 1. What we have? A power 3 equal to minus 1. This we can write it as a power 3 plus 1 power 3 that is equal to 0. So now here apply x power 3 plus y power 3 formula. According to that formula, we can write this as a plus 1 times a square minus ab, which is a times 1, which is a only, plus b square, that is equal to 0. So here a plus 1 equal to 0, so it's nothing but a equal to minus 1. This is the fourth root. And still we need to get two more roots because our expression is a power 6. That means we are going to get 6 roots of this equation. So what you have, a power 2 minus a plus 1, that is equal to 0. First I am going to find a discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. So that is b square means minus 1 whole square minus 4 times 1 times 1, which is 4 only, over 2 times 1. So this is 1 minus 4, which is minus 3 over 2. If you take square root, then you will get root 3 I over root 2. So now we substitute this discriminant in the quadratic formula. Is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here the values are minus of minus 1, which gives plus 1. So just write plus 1 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. The value is root 3i over root 2 over 2 times 1. So that is equal to root 2 plus or minus root 3i over 2 root 2. A5 root 2 plus root 3i by 2 root 2, and a6 the root is root 2 minus root 3i over 2 root 2. So these are the 6 roots of this expression. That's it.